In this video, we'll be having a look at the following differential equation. So we are solving the differential equation dy over dx plus 2y over x is equal to sine of x over x squared. If you like, you can go ahead and pause the video and try having a go at the question on your own before having a look at the solution. Okay, let's have a look at the solution now. So firstly, I'll make p of x equal 2 over, make p of x equal to 2 over x. So that's the 2 over x over here, and I'll make q of x equal to the sine of x over x squared. So this means that dy over dx plus p of x y is equal to q of x. And this form over here is the form of a first order linear differential equation. And this is because we have a dy over dx term and we have a y term here, and we have functions p and q that are only in terms of x. So that's the reason why it's in first order linear form. This means we can apply the integrating factor method. In the integrating factor method, we take p of x and we find e to the power of the antiderivative of p of x. So since p of x is 2 over x, we can find the antiderivative of 2 over x dx, and this is equal to log of absolute value of x. And here we don't need a plus c because we only need to find one function g rather than finding an entire family of functions g. So since we're only finding one function g that satisfies what we need, we don't need the plus c. And this over here is equal to e to the log of absolute value of x all squared. And this part inside here will just be equal to the absolute value of x and then squared. And this is the same as x squared. So the integrating factor g of x is equal to x squared. So now we can apply the integrating factor technique by taking derivative of y times g of x, and this is the same as derivative of x squared y. And now using the product rule, we obtain 2xy plus x squared dy over dx. And if we take a factor of x squared out, we will get x squared times dy over dx plus 2y over x. And since we have the left-hand side over here, which is dy over dx plus 2y over x equals sine of x over x squared, we can, this part over here is exactly the same as the left-hand side, so we can write it as x squared times sine of x over x squared. So this is equal to sine of x. So this, now, since we have derivative of y times g of x equals sine of x, we can now take the antiderivative of both sides. So y times g of x will be the same as the antiderivative of sine of x, which is equal to negative cos x plus c. So this means, so since y times g of x is equal to this, then we can divide both sides by g of x to obtain y equals negative cos x plus c over g of x, which is, and g of x is x squared. So final solution we obtain is this. So we have an entire family of solutions because c can be any real number. That concludes the solution to this problem. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.